Welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today I'll be taking you through on how to file annual return for a business name registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. So you want to make sure that you have an agent account or a agent portal or an agent portal. This is because annual return is a post incorporation job and it can only be done with an agent portal. It is not done using a public user account. So you're going to click on these three dots at the left side of the website. Once you click on the three dots, you're going to see name reservation, name requiring consent, registration, and post incorporation. I just finished telling you that it is a post incorporation job. So you're going to click on post incorporation. So once you click on post incorporation, you're going to see business name processes and other entities. But because we are filing annual return for business name, you're going to be clicking on business name processes. Other entities are for like companies, NGOs, and other whatever registered with the CAC. But business name processes, click on business name processes. So you have to type in the RC number or the business name you intend to file annual return for. So the RC number is 97. So now once you type the RC number of the business you intend to file annual return for, you are going to click on this search button. So once you click on the search button, it's going to bring out the details, all the details of the company, date of incorporation, and the like. So now this is it. The date of registration of this company is 30th September 30, 2024, and the business is still active on the CAC portal. So we can proceed to file our annual return. If the business has been deleted, you won't be able to file annual return for this business. So you have to click on proceed to dashboard. So now once you click on proceed to dashboard, you're going to see everything you can do for as post incorporation for a business name under the account you enter the RC number you entered. So now for this particular business, you can either file annual return, change principal place of business, cessation, that's if you don't want the business anymore, and the likes. So now, but we are filing because we want to file annual return. Annual return is already clicked because it's the first thing on the post incorporation site. You're going to move the you're going to scroll down. So once you scroll down, you're going to see the annual return you're supposed to file for. You're going to delete this process because I have already started this process before. That is why you can see delete process. But if you have not started filing the annual return and you left the page, you're going to see start filing annual return. You're going to click on start filing annual return. So now I'm going to delete this and start afresh again. Now scroll, you're going to see now start annual return. Click on start annual return. So we are filing annual return for the year 2025 for this business because it was registered September 2024. So now you're going to click on submit. So once you click on submit, all the details of the business will come out. This is the name of the business, registration number, date of registration, the principal of the business, email number, and the likes are there. Then this is the financial year you're filing for. You're filing for the year 2025. So let's say the turnover for this business is 900,000. 900,000. 1, 2, 3. Okay. Then the next say the net asset is just 100,000. So the person authorizing this annual return filing is the proprietor. So you're going to click on the name of the proprietor. So you're supposed to upload your financial statement, but you can leave it because it's optional. You can decide to leave it. So you're supposed to click on preview after filling everything. So once you click on preview, it's going to bring out all the details again for you to make sure that all the details are correct before submitting. So this presented by is a portal you are using to work. So you're supposed to click on save and continue. So once you click on save and continue, it's going to take us to payments. So filing annual return for business name is 5,000 naira, and there's no default fee here because it's not late to file annual return. You're going to click on remitter. So once you click on remitter, you know how to make your payment, and that's all. You can use your card, you can make bank transfer, you can do whatever payment you want to use. Let's say we're using our card. So you're supposed to input this card, your card details, and make the payment, and that's all. And then when it is approved, they're going to send email to the portal to the they are going to send an email to the agent portal you use to file the annual return, or you check back in your portal and then you are going to download the acknowledgement letter from the Corporate Affairs Commission that you have successfully filed your annual return. And that's all on how to file your annual return for business name. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and also subscribe to my channel. Thank you.